At Designer Audiology, we get a lot of questions about how to best clean ear molds, hearing aids, cochlear implants, and headphones or hearing protection devices, and we want to go through our recommendations for you. Cleaning on a regular basis is really important, especially when somebody else might be touching the devices. And this can be true with pediatrics or when you have an assistant that's helping to put the devices on and take them off. Especially with the COVID-19 pandemic going around right now, cleaning and disinfecting are becoming more and more important. We want to be cleaning all of these devices on a regular basis, and typically we recommend doing that first thing in the morning before you actually put the devices on. When you purchase the device, you probably got a soft, dry cloth that will help you wipe off the outside of the mold, and some type of cleaning tool that has a little brush on it and a little wax loop. That lets you brush off those microphones and pick around for any little pieces of wax or skin that might have gotten into the hearing aid, cochlear implant, or ear mold as you were wearing it. At Designer Audiology, we really love our toothbrushes, and we have them labeled for you so you don't mix them up with your actual toothbrush. The reason why is because the head of the toothbrush is soft and dry, and it's nice and easy to do cleaning in just a couple sweeps. It's also very easy to hold on to because that handle's much longer than those small little pieces that you get originally. If you feel like you want something more that's not just a soft, dry brush, we do have options available online through our store in the forms of audio wipes. And these are pre-moistened, alcohol-free cloths that will let you wipe down the outside of the hearing aid, cochlear implant, ear mold, or hearing protection to actually clean those. Disinfecting is another form of thing you can do at home, and we have a couple different options available. One that we stock in the office is called the Renew Hearing Aid Dryer, and this actually uses dry heat to take out any moisture, condensation, or perspiration off of those devices. When you turn it on, it has a UV light in it, and it's going to take about 1 hour to go through that UV process, and that's going to inhibit that bacteria growth from growing on those different things. We also offer the Perfect Dry Lux Dehumidifier, and that's going to remove moisture with a forced air movement. It has a 360-degree UVC light, and that's going to destroy 99% of your microorganisms within the first 5 minutes of the drying cycle. So you want to make sure it's in there for at least that 5-minute period. The most industrial version is our Dry and Store Global 2 system, and that's going to use heat, moving air, and a desiccant brick to help pull out any of that moisture. This works much faster though. It actually has a 90-second germicidal cycle that's going to disinfect those devices. The caveat is that you do have a dry brick too that has to be changed on a regular basis in order for this product to work to its maximum effect. All of these products and more can be found on our website, and you can purchase them at any time. If you have any other questions related to cleaning or disinfecting any of these devices, please feel free to reach out to us.